A very warm welcome to Genie's Crochet Corner. Today I'd like to just share this one row repeat blanket pattern with you. It's just one row and you just repeat it throughout for the length of the project you're doing. We're just going to be working on a multiple of 2 chain. So it's a reversible pattern. So it looks like this from one side and looks the same on the other side. So I'm just going to be using a 7mm crochet hook and just some worsted or 8-ply yarn, and I've got 2 strands of contrast colour together because I like the blanket to be colourful. So I'm just going to leave a thread of yarn and I'm going to start off with making a slip knot, and I'm going to be working 12 chain, which will be my multiple of 2. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. So I'm not going to be using the first chain from the hook or the second chain from the hook. They're going to be counted as a stitch and as the turning chain. So I'm just going to, so that's the first chain, second chain into the third chain from the hook. I'm going to work a double crochet, and then we're going to work around this double crochet we've just made. So if you just turn your work to face you, your double crochet is facing you, we're just going to insert the hook in from the front, and then just pull the yarn through and then chain 1, and we'll just repeat that around the double crochet. Insert your hook underneath, pull a thread through and chain 1, and then we're going to go to where we made the double crochet. So in this chain here, we're just going to insert the hook in, pull a thread through, chain 1, and then we have 1, 2, 3, 4 loops on the hook. We're just going to pull the thread through all 4 loops on the hook, and you've made your first pattern stitch. We're going to miss the next chain, and into the following chain we're just going to repeat that. So work our double crochet, and then we can turn your work to face you. Just insert the hook underneath that double crochet, pull a thread through, chain 1, and just repeat. Insert the hook underneath the double crochet, pull a thread through, chain 1, and then we're going to be inserting the hook in the same place where we made the first double crochet. Just insert your hook in, pull a thread through, chain 1, and we have 2 4 loops on the hook. Just pull them through the thread through all 4 loops. We miss the next chain and we just repeat. Work our double crochet. Just turn your work, it makes it a bit easier, so your double crochet is facing you. Insert your hook underneath that double crochet, pull a loop through, chain 1, and just insert underneath the double crochet, pull a loop through and chain 1, and then at the base of the double crochet we made, insert your hook in, pull a thread through and chain 1, and then just pull the thread through all 4 loops on the hook. And we miss this next chain and just repeat our double crochet. We just turn our work, insert your hook underneath the double crochet, pull a thread through, chain 1, and we just work another, insert your hook underneath the double crochet and chain 1, and then at the same place where we made the double crochet, just insert your hook in, pull a thread through, chain 1, and then just pull through all 4 loops on the hook. We miss this stitch and we just repeat into the next stitch. And then chain 1, your hook underneath, pull the thread through, chain 1, and then the same place where we made the double crochet, insert your hook in, pull the thread through, chain 1, and then just pull through all 4 loops on the hook. We're left with 1 chain. We're just going to work a double crochet into that 1 chain. And that's your pattern row. So I'll just work another row with you. So it's just the 1 row on a multiple of 2 chain. So I'm going to chain 1, 2, and that the 2 chain counts as a stitch and as a turning chain. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to be working my pattern stitch into, so we don't use this stitch here, I'm going to be working my pattern stitch into this next stitch. So we're going to work our double crochet, and then we turn our work, hook underneath the double crochet, pull through a loop, chain 1, hook underneath the double crochet, pull a thread through, chain 1, and then at the base of the double crochet we made, just insert your hook in, pull a thread through, chain 1, and then just pull through all 4 loops on the hook. We're going to miss the next stitch and we just repeat into the following stitch. Insert your hook underneath, pull a thread through, chain 1. Insert underneath the double crochet, pull a loop through, chain 1, and then at the base of the double crochet we made, insert your hook in, pull a loop through and chain 1 and pull through all 4 loops on the hook. And that's how your pattern is starting to shape up. So we'll just work till the end of the row. We miss the next stitch and into the following stitch work our double crochet. And then just around the double crochet, just insert your hook underneath, pull a thread through, chain 1, insert your hook underneath, pull a thread through, chain 1, and then at the base of the double crochet, insert your hook in, pull a thread through, chain 1, and then just pull through all 4 loops on the hook. And we'll just work the last 2 stitches, the last 2 pattern stitches, so we miss this next stitch, work our double crochet into the following stitch. Just turn your work to face you, so your double crochet is facing you. Insert your hook underneath the double crochet, pull a loop through, chain 1, insert underneath the double crochet, pull a loop through, chain 1, and then at the base of the double crochet, just insert your hook in, pull a loop through, chain 1 and pull through all 4 loops on the hook. We miss this stitch and we work a double crochet into the following stitch and just repeat what we've done previously. So just hook underneath the double crochet, pull a loop through, chain 1, insert underneath the double crochet, pull a loop through, chain 1, and then at the base of the double crochet insert your hook in, pull a loop through, chain 1, and then pull through all 4 loops on the hook. And we're left with just the turning chain. We're just going to work a double crochet into that. And that's your 1 row repeat pattern. Just on a multiple of 2 and just repeat it for as many times as you want to. I hope this tutorial has been helpful and useful to you. Until next time, enjoy crocheting.